That's why on Shabbos we have to eat delicious, special food. So what's your favorite food on Shabbos? Yossi, what's your favorite food?
Shalom.
Shalom. Yaini, what's your favorite food on Shabbos?
Netzel.
Netzel. David, what's your favorite food on Shabbos?
Stuffed chicken.
Yechiel, what's your favorite food on Shabbos?
Tuna fish.
Tuna fish?
That's the only thing my mommy gives me by the Suda.
There are people in our community that unfortunately all they can afford for a Shabbos meal is tuna fish. They're our friends, they're our neighbors, and they daven in our kehilas. Beis HaTavshel Reb Shayas helps them by sending volunteers to many of our local stores after their closing hours. And we take the food that hasn't gotten sold while it's still completely fresh. The dedicated volunteers then bring the food to our garage, sometimes arriving just a short time before Shabbos. The food is then sorted and packed up nicely. It is then put into nice packages to be given out to those in need in a presentable and respectful manner. Our kitchen is very small and cramped. We need your support so that we can expand to help as many people in need as possible.